I came here because I'm aware that 16 out of the 27 remaining assembly members had already made up their mind to join the All Progressive Congress. And they latched their decision on what the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is able to achieve, the areas of security and various other sectors of life. All of us are aware. And so we have been in touch with them. Some time ago, I know you asked that question, some time ago, a lot of you carried that the assembly members had defected to the All Progressive Congress at some point. And I said, no, that wasn't correct. Then I visited with them, and in fact, I invited them to an occasion where they came and we all exchanged pleasantries, and that was all we did. Today, at least you have seen me today, inside the assembly, the Hello Chamber, receiving my members, and I'm happy.
But are you not, I'm a bit surprised. Why 16? Does it show that the APC does not have the capacity to rein in the entire house? Or rather, why just 17? Does it mean that the APC doesn't have the capacity to rein in the entire house? Are you disappointed by the number?
No, it's politics. In this game, you don't lead people by the nose. Okay, it's a decision that 17 members have made, including the speaker, of course, joining that decision. And maybe when you saw us, when I came out of the chamber, so we are still going ahead to woo other people who are still members of the PDP. And I can assure you that if we sustain our arguments, and if what they are also saying to us, the reason why they want to join us, or they might likely join us, is what the president is doing in Nigeria. So in a couple of days or months or weeks, of course, the assembly are adjourned for recess, 26th of January. I don't know if your guess can be as good as mine.
So just before the last week, the House of Assembly sat and they passed a vote of confidence on the president and also asked him to run for a second tenure. I don't know if you're aware of it. Several persons have said that move is actually in the wrong direction. As a party, what do you make of the move, the call and the move by the House of Assembly?
The House of Assembly did very well. But the Rivers House of Assembly on issues like this have always blazed the trail. I think they are the first assembly assembly that has done what they did, adopting Mr. President for a second term, and in fact also galvanizing support for him in their respective constituencies. So it's not a surprise to me, as far as we are concerned. It's a good thing. In fact, if I were around town, I would have also been here to eavesdrop. Maybe not inside the chamber now, but at least I would have been somewhere around here to eavesdrop into what they're saying. But I listened to it, I saw it on television, and the arguments they adduced were very convincing. Not only one person spoke, as many as wanted to spoke, and they took different strands why they think that the president has done well, and why they think that the president should be endorsed with it.
We hear the governor may be coming to the APC. Are you aware of that? And if yes, what's your take?
Well, I can only say what I know. I'm not a soothsayer yet. The governor has not reached out to me, and so I will not say either a yes or a no. I'm not aware.
But the assembly has been first to move.
If you had the chance to have a word with the governor on this issue of joining the 17 members who have joined your party today, what would be your message to him? If you had an opportunity to woo him, what would be your message?
Well, the governor is governor of the state, and is a big man for that matter. If I have an opportunity of talking to the governor on the issues of politics, I think I should also ask him or advise him to follow his mind. That's what I will do. I won't go beyond that.
In other states, it's the governor that moves first, then the assembly joins. But in Rivers State, assembly is moving and the governor is still in PDP.
You want me to answer that question?
Yes, sir.
I don't know why that will concern me, because I'm not from any of those states that you're talking about. I'm concerned about and with the issues here in Rivers State, and it's their own style. We have just spoken here that the governor has not told me that he wants to be a member of our political party. And I said that if he even talks to me, I'll tell him to follow his mind. So why do we put the cart before the horse?
Thank you, sir.
Sure.